Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing an isolated environment so dependencies stay predictable. Create a virtualenv or conda-env, activate it, then pip install TensorFlow. This gives you the core API. Once done, run a quick import TensorFlow as TF and TF. Version to confirm installation. If you plan to use GPU, make sure drivers, CUDA and cuDNN match TensorFlow's supported versions. Otherwise, stick to the CPU package to avoid driver conflicts. This gets you ready to build models immediately. You next structure data and define the model architecture. Use TF, data to create scalable input pipelines, applying map, batch, shuffle, and prefetch to optimize throughput. Then choose TF, Keras, sequential for linear stacks or the functional API for complex graphs because readability and modularity matter during iteration. Once defined, compile with a suitable optimizer and loss, add metrics for monitoring. Also attach callbacks like model checkpoint and early stopping so training saves progress and can recover from it. You now train, validate, and prepare the model for production. Call model, fit with appropriate batch size and epochs and monitor validation metrics. Adjust learning rates or regularization if overfitting appears. After training, run model. Evaluate on held-out data and export the best model using model. Save or the saved model format for robust loading. Finally, choose a deployment path, TensorFlow serving for servers, TF Lite for mobile, or TF, JS for browsers. If something breaks, check mismatched tensor shapes and version incompatibilities first.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.